Avantco reach-in refrigerators offer exceptional performance and durability. These refrigerators provide consistent temperature control from 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit. The units feature a corrosion-resistant stainless steel exterior and interior LED lighting. Their self-closing doors have a stay-open locking mechanism. These refrigerators also include automatic defrosting. Each unit comes with casters, making them easy to move for cleaning and maintenance. They are available in a variety of different options, including half or full doors. The glass door models use double-pane tempered glass for improved visibility. The A series features an easy-to-clean painted aluminum interior. Each section comes with 3 shelves that can hold up to 80 pounds. The A+ series is made in North America and comes with Eco Mode, making these units ideal for saving energy and extending compressor life. The A+ series also features full-length door handles. The A and A+ series are available in 1 or 2-door models. The SS series is available in 1, 2, or 3-door models. The SS series has a perforated interior rear duct for better airflow. Their shelves can hold up to 120 pounds. Both the SS and the A+ models are constructed with durable 430 stainless steel doors and sides. Avantco also offers bun pan rails to store full-size sheet pans. Incorporating a sleek appearance and dependability, these commercial refrigerators keep your food fresh, safe, and ready to use.